How do you maximize your home sale and not leave money on the table? If you're a homeowner getting ready to sell, then you want to hear this. Hi, I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty, and selling your home can be a significant financial transaction, and we want to help you make the most of it. This list of do's will help put you in a better position to make the most return on your investment. So let's get started. First thing, you want to make a good first impression. Yes, first impressions do matter when selling your home. Think about it as your first chance to wow the buyer. When prospective buyers walk through your door, you want them to fall in love with the space. Here are some steps to ensure your home is ready. First, you want to declutter, depersonalize, and remove all the personal items like family pictures, mementos to create a clean and neutral canvas. Get rid of all the junk. Let buyers envision themselves in the space. Also, be on top of your repairs and maintenance. It's important to fix any visible issues like a leaky faucet, chips in the paint, or even a squeaky door. A well-maintained home looks more appealing and can help justify a higher price. If you're aware of repairs that need to be done, it could be in your best interest to get them done before listing your home. This way, a buyer will not ask for repair credits on costly items. Also, don't forget about curb appeal. Having a home with good curb appeal is important for the first impression. After all, the first thing the buyers will see when they drive up is the exterior of your home. And also invest in landscaping and do a good power wash. And finally, the most important thing to do when listing your home is setting the price right. Pricing your home correctly is crucial in today's market. You don't want to miss the mark. That is why it's so important to work with an experienced agent who can prepare an accurate market analysis for you on value, taking into consideration all the current market conditions. If you want help navigating the sale of your home without leaving money on the table, reach out to my team and I so we can help. I'm Cheryl Folks, and when you do what you love, people love what you do. Give us a call.